I'm Ranjita, speech therapist in Bethany Special School. This is one book where we will use it for articulation errors. So here is a picture book where we'll show how to do a lip placement and where to put a lip, and with hand action we'll say la ta. So this is a ta, and we will show the pictures where that sound comes in your daily life, like tree, train, and then tiger, tree, table, tap. Have this few pictures, and for each and every kid will be different. So we'll use it, and then we will club it with the words like lap, cap, pad. So we'll start doing with the words once they do with the single sound, and then we will make him in rhyming sound.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.